Once, young African engineers had the passion to innovate but had limited access to the tools to bring their ideas to life. Medical researchers in Africa dreamed of discovering solutions to deadly diseases, but had limited access to advanced laboratory equipment and facilities. Across the continent, a generation of bright African minds have the potential, but not the infrastructure, to change the world. Recognizing this critical gap, the World Bank funded and launched the Africa Higher Education Centers of Excellence for Development Impact, ACE Impact, project in 2018 to transform the quality of education and research in Africa. In just a few years, the ACE Impact project has revolutionized higher education infrastructure across Africa. Cutting-edge research facilities, once found only in Western institutions, now thrive in African universities, empowering students, researchers and faculty like never before. Today, across the 11 participating countries, are state-of-the-art buildings housing advanced lecture halls and conference rooms, fully equipped scientific laboratories, driving groundbreaking research, modern libraries, providing instant access to global knowledge, innovation and entrepreneurship hubs nurturing the next generation of African leaders and scientists, language laboratories, ICT laboratories, and expansive internet access, all in line with global standards. Greenhouses, innovative farms and experimental facilities set up by the participating centers provide hands-on learning experiences. The impact goes beyond lecture halls and research centers. The ACE Impact project is transforming lives and influencing policies across the sub-region. The project has empowered select participating centers with advanced equipment, including genomic sequencers. This technology has enabled the rapid sequencing of critical pathogens, such as Ebola, Lassa, coronavirus, and malaria, providing vital data that drives decisive informed government actions. In 2023, ACE-GID, for example, reached a major milestone by acquiring Africa's first Illumina Novasec X+. More than just physical structures, these world-class facilities are shaping the future of higher education and research in Africa, positioning the continent as a global hub for postgraduate training. As the ACE program celebrates 10 years of progress, it also marks a decade breaking barriers, redefining excellence and empowering the next generation of African scholars and innovators. This is not just an investment in infrastructure, it's an investment in Africa's future.